morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's deep dive straight to key market insights. Today, we'll start with S&P 500. We have a lot to cover. Okay, before we start covering the market, the instruction will be all positions should be covered, all profitable positions should be closed, and profit should be booked. Okay, let's start with S&P 500, the daily time frame. Sorry. We are still bullish in the market. As long as the new candle, the daily candle, which is opening and closing above the previous candle right here and maintaining the 9 EMA, the market is bullish. Even if a little bit of drop, $1 or $2 drop will not turn the market into bearish direction. Okay. Sorry. So what we are looking at, we are looking for market. We are not looking for a big sell-off right here. Where the sell-off will be, on the Elliott wave, we are looking at a sell-off between 630.42 right in this area to 646.98 right in this area. This is where the market will create the bull trap. We are in wave C of wave 2 right from here. This one, right? A, B, and this is C. So this is where it will fail, in between anywhere from 630 to 630.42 to 646.98. This is where the bull trap will happen. As I mentioned before, the market will never sell off in the same area. Market will be pushed higher by the institution, which will send the signal in the market. The market had a breakout and it's going to make higher, all-time high, continue pushing higher. And that's where the bull trap will be created, right between 630 to 646. Okay, so market is not bearish right now. A little bit of correction. This is all because of a lot of political drama happening right now. So market is still bullish. We will not be opening a short position unless the first candle closes below the 9 EMA or a direct crossing. Okay, so still bullish on the market. Okay, moving forward to RIVN. This is the stock you want to accumulate your position right now. We have a position, we have a short put for $12 for January 26, and there is a possibility of accumulating the share in this area. You can accumulate. The stock will break out towards $17 and eventually around $20 to $24. So good area to accumulate your position. If you want to buy the share, buy at 12.05 only. Buying a share and selling a put has two different price target. If you want to short the put, short right now for $12 put, okay, which will give you the premium plus the $12 strike price. Your break even will be around 1140 something. Okay, so if you want to short the put, this is the area you short the put. If you want to buy the share, wait for 12.05. That's where you jump in. You have a limit order for 12.05 and buy the share and then ride all the way upside. Okay, what will happen when such falling wedge formed? Sometime you will see a fake breakout downside and then the market push upside. So that's why 12.05 is a good price point to buy share on RIVN. Moving forward to Delta. Delta is clearly bullish. It has a earning coming up on 10th of July. Pre-market revenue beat will be reported. This will break out towards a 54.86 Delta. Let me give you the precise. I'm looking for a breakout towards a 54.89. So right here, a bullish breakout in this area, 54.98, right in this area, upper of the linear regression. Okay, we are bullish here. All TMA is bullish. We are reclaiming 200 EMA. So a lot of buyer will jump in after the price across 200 EMA. Okay, so bullish on Delta Airlines. Moving forward to bull. Okay, today this is a decent pullback in this area. Okay, we shorted the stock around 62 area and we closed our position in about 40 plus. Now we knew it. Every new IPO, first they pump and then they dump. So whenever you see this kind of situation, a new IPO jumping 300, 400%, you should be shorting like hell. There is a lot of money to be made, all new IPOs when they tank. And 99.99% all new IPO will tank after a jump. Okay, so I took a short position at 62 area right here, 62 right in this area. Okay, after this wick. So 62 area, I opened the short position. I closed around 40 area something. And after that, I have not traded. It marked the bottom around $10, right where it all started. Back now, it's bouncing off. After this bounce, there is a little bit of correction to the 1268. Good to start a small position, not too much, not heavy position, but few hundred share will be good enough. Like 200, 300, 500 share is good enough to buy in this area, 1268. Okay. Moving forward to Li Auto. Last Friday, I was scanning this market. I was expecting a little bit of jump. 25.95 market closed and it opened at 27. So there is a jump. If I go to a smaller time frame, you see the green candle. This jump I was expecting. Okay, and it was alerted in the group that will open a position in Li Auto. It's good to trade, good to build a position Li Auto right here. If you are looking to open a position, Li Auto is good to trade. Buy in this area. You can buy the share, you can short the put, you can buy the call. Anything you can do on Li Auto. This is the area that you want to buy in. It's oversold. Right here, we are about to have a golden cross on the MACD. It's trading at 200 EMA line and bounce of 200 EMA line. So it's a perfect setup right here for the long position on Li Auto. SMCI long term, we are bullish. We have continued being bullish since at this price at 32 area. 32 area, we knew it. We are heading into 47.80. Our price target was hit 47.80. Next price target, we are looking for 50.82 cent. So we are bullish. We'll close all our position at 50.82. Stock may push even higher towards 55. There's a lot of calls being purchased by the dark pool area and the sweep area and the unusual data. So there's a lot of calls going on for $55, and we are looking at SMCI. Let me give you the precise what we are looking at. All right, so right here. Okay, so what we are looking at, we are looking for 50.82 and maximum upside, we are looking for 66.95. We will not be trading SMCI after 66.95. Okay, this is all run is in wave 1. There will be wave 2 possible. Next all-in entry on the SMCI will be 39.63. So if drop to 39.63, all in for the upside, 66.95 all out. No trading after 66.95 on SMCI. Moving forward to Tesla. All right. So after this candle, if this big red candle, if you see here, which was 3 days back, this was the only candle hope for the bullish divergence on the Tesla. This candle perfectly managed to hold 200 EMA, as well as perfectly managed to hold SR interchange area. Support changed into resistance. Resistance changed into support area. This is RS interchange right here. So the price was coming right here. And today we have this drop. This is all because of the political news. It's nothing to do with Tesla. Okay, this drop was because of the delivery number. Okay, so which we knew it, the market will tank. The delivery number will be bad, which was 18% down. So what we are looking at now, the current price has crossed clearly the 200 EMA. It's bearish. So 2 green candle, price down. So what pivot we are looking at here is 291.03. As long as Tesla managed to hold 291.03, is bullish. If once it failed 291.03, right away we are looking at the previous low right here in this area, 273.61. And why we are looking at? Because this is where the liquidity grab will happen. And the most retail investor put the stop loss in the previous low and little below to that one. So what will happen? Once it failed to hold 291 SR interchange, it will right away drop in this area and liquidity grab will happen. And to grab the liquidity, the institution has to push the price down to previous low so that the stop loss can trigger and a lot of small account can be liquidated. So there will be enough supply in the market for an institution to grab at a cheaper price. Okay, so then if the price fail at 291.03, straight away 273.61, and they will push the price down towards 247.39 something. That's the area. It's not going to drop below that area, 247. Okay, so maximum right here. And if you look at, this is what I'm looking at. Maximum we are looking at. This is what we are looking at. So if they fail 291, 273, liquidity grab, push it further down, kick the visitor out of the rally, and then start pushing upward towards 414 area. Okay. So this is what you need to monitor. 291.03 will have a watch on that price target. Moving forward to QBTS, we are in profit. We bought the position right here at 1442. This was our entry. We are sitting in profit. We'll continue holding our position. We are not looking to exit our position until 20 area. So we'll continue holding. We are in good profit right now. We'll continue holding our area right in this area. This is where stock is heading. As soon as it goes 20 plus minus few cents, like $20 and few cent will be out and will not be taking any position. QBTS, if you want me to give you the precise exit by the pennies, then we are looking for an exit at, okay, we are looking for an exit at 20.19. So 20.19 will be our exit on this one. So $20.19 all trade. Most likely we'll close at 19.77, which is the Fibonacci level. Okay, we'll be out here. We will not hold for another 30 cents. So it's a decent profit from 14.42 to 19.77. 97 will exit. What will happen? The price will push this sell side order block, create the bull trap here, and then fall back. Okay, and this trend line, if you look at, you'll be able to see that something like this. So this one, higher high, there will be another all-time high here, like higher than this point, and then sell off, retracement back into downside. Okay, so this is the area that we would like to exit of this position. Moving forward to MSTR, we are still bullish. We have a clear breakout of trend line. If you look at right here, this area, this particular candle, clear breakout in this area. This stock is more related to the Bitcoin directly and indirectly. Okay, so sometimes the analysis on MSTR is not highly accurate. However, since we were trading right in this area at 274, 275 area, since then we were looking for price target of 470.58. We are still bullish on this one. We are looking for 470.58. What's the range? The next trading range from 470 right here to the 350 area. This is the range where we are looking at. Downside 350 area, upside 470 area. Anything, if the Bitcoin sell off towards 94,000, 95,000 area, this will drop towards 350 and below. Okay, so that's the area. This MSTR will not drop now anytime soon around 310. It's not going to happen. Okay, so don't expect it will drop to 210 and you'll buy a lot. You better start buying in 350, 350, 360 area, because it's not going to drop below that. Okay, so right now we are bullish. We are looking upside. 470.58 will continue holding our position. Okay, moving forward, we are looking at Bitcoin 108,894. Very crucial area. Not easy to break. If you look at, we have been stuck in this area for almost about a month. Okay, over a month now in this particular area. Okay, this area, it has been range bound. What happens when the range bound happens? When something like this trade, either there is a definite breakout happening in this one. Okay, there will be a major breakout soon, but no one can say whether it will be a bullish or a bearish. Okay, most likely in this situation, I hold bearish outlook. The market will pull back first, give the fake breakout downside, kick the visitor out of the train, and then shoot up upside. Generally, that's the outcome. Okay, one fake breakout downside and then upside. Okay, so around 94, 95 area, that's where I'm looking to buy. Till then, I'm out of Bitcoin. I'm trading alternate options of the Bitcoin, like Mara, like Hood, like Coin, Conal, like on the stock we have Hive. Another stock we are trading. Now we are adding a position in Bull. So there are a lot of stocks that we are trading related to Bitcoin, MSTR, MSTX, but we are not directly trading Bitcoin right now because we need a better entry. Okay, so my entry will be around 94, 95 area. Till then, I'm watching it carefully. I'm expecting a breakdown into this area, like down in this area, and then shoot up. Because if we consider this wave one, right in this area, if this is wave one, if this is wave one and this become the wave two, this wave two has not yet completed. It's kind of a very small pullback. It need to come down right in this area and then shoot up into wave three. So wave three has not yet started. We are continuously, if you look at these candles, right in these candles, you see the price spin multiple times. Every time it's coming here, it's giving you the hammer candle. Okay, right here again. Look at this one, another one, and then continuously price spin like undecided candle, non-directional candle. This dodgy here, okay, spinning candle, this is also known as undirectional, undecided. So there is no direction right here. It's not bullish, it's not bearish, but it's like fluctuating in that area. And why it's fluctuating in this area? There is a reason for that one, because there is a lot of institution buy happen in this area. 7,737 Bitcoin were purchased. Maybe any company, maybe GameStop, maybe MSTR, or any other like 21st Capital and MetaPlanet. All this, they have been buying in this area, and that's the reason that most institutions are trying to defend this area, like 105 area they are trying to defend. So everyone in Bitcoin, the companies or corporation, those are related to Bitcoin, they are trying to defend 105,000. They want to keep it above 105, because as soon as it drop 105,000, they will start making loss on their Bitcoin holding. So that's the point. Every time they are coming here, they are buying and pushing it higher and higher. They're trying to hold this area so that the new buyer jump in and they can push. Eventually, long term, definitely we are looking for 139,000 and 170,000, 171,000 this year, 100%, and it's going to happen. I'm telling you. Okay, 171,000, maximum 171,000 this year, and 139 will most likely within next 90 days. You will see that 139 within next 90 days from starting from today. So 90 days, if you mark July, then you are looking at August, September, October. End of October, most likely 139,000 we are looking at. Okay. And early November first week, so most likely 190,000 in next 90 days. Okay, moving forward to ICP 480. Currently we are holding our position a little bit in loss. My average is 493. I'm holding a large position here. I'm looking to exit around 960, 920 area. I'll continue holding my position. Any drop on ICP, I will keep accumulating. This is the area that I want to accumulate. Okay, let's say if it dropped to 391, for example, that's my next point. 391. That's what I'll be buying next time. If it doesn't drop, which is most likely it will not, so that's good enough. We'll continue holding our position. We are looking for upside here, because if you look at this one, the price has been in this area for a while. We want the breakout of this zone. Okay. So we are looking to exit all our position in 826 and 960 area. So that's the range we are looking at, between from 8 plus to the 9 plus area. So 100% of run we are looking on ICP from here. Okay, moving forward, we go to Cardano, 0.58. We are in profit. Our buy is 0.51 cent. We'll continue holding our position. First price target we are looking for 0.68. That's the neckline we are watching of the falling wedge right here. This is what we are looking at. This point, this will be the make or break point right here, 200 EMA, and the neckline of the falling wedge on a daily chart. So price will go up to 68. Then there will be a make or break. So what will happen? What's the most likely outcome? Most likely outcome to break out, check the Fibonacci level, retest this area 200 EMA, and then shoot up like this. Okay. So this is what we are looking at. So the price will continue going up. We are bullish. The price is above 9 EMA. We'll continue breaking upside. We'll break this trend line soon. Continue 68 area where you'll see the price to be consolidating sideline for a while. Why you will see that? Because of this particular candle. If you look at right here in this area, this wick, this is where the price started selling off last time. And right in the same area, you will see the price consolidating. Also, if you look at this one from this candle, this is where we are looking. So it's a bending market from here. Okay, we have our first positive angle in this area. If I show you that. All right, so we have, this was the bottom. This is what we are looking at, first positive angle. So market is bending right in this area. Curve line right here, this one. So this market is starting to bend right here, this one. Okay, so like this. So what we are looking at, a bullish move from here, like this one. So bullish all the way to 0.68, then retest 200 EMA and the neckline and continue breakout 0.86. 0.86 will be out of all our position on this one. Same thing, Solana, we are in profit. Our buy was around 142 and 148. We are in profit right now. We'll continue holding our position all the way to 186 area. We are not looking to drop. ICP, Internet Computer, Solana, and Cardano. These three positions we are looking to hold for a few months, at least for 2 months, 2.5 months. Okay, we are not looking to close. We want a solid profit to come on this one. Right now, we are not in Bitcoin. We'll wait for the pullback in 94, 95 area to start the position. Otherwise, we'll let it go because It's not really necessary for us to trade Bitcoin when we have so many positions in MSTR, Coin, MSTX. So a lot of other stocks are related to Bitcoin. Okay, but we'll definitely try to catch another entry in Bitcoin. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you have any comment or questions, you can put in the comment box. We have launched our Pine script, which will be accessible only for the Discord members, and I'm back testing right now, so in a couple of days it will be live. If I show you right here, so all the coding is done. There are 19 indicators put together, 19 of the best indicator brought in one Pine script. No one need to pay for the TradingView subscription anymore after having access to our Pine script right here. I'm working on improving the trend line as well as some one or two indicator more. MACD will be added to this one. So almost about 20 indicators put together in one line. So good enough. It will be able to, you'll be able to access probably by next week. And that's all. Thank you so much. We are working on a lot of stuff right now, and we'll keep launching small stuff time to time. Thank you.